Second cover. Number 22, Paul Tipper. Number 7, Thomas Owens.
Isa may maguwang niyo yung Glenn.
Lumen man. Ah, sila?
Turnover, the position, Eastern Samoa. Foul, number 29, pushing foul. Second personal foul, number 29. 14 seconds on shot clock.
Okay, yeah.
Why, that's wrong, number 22. Foul, number 22, black foul. Substitution, number 0 for number 11. Number 14 for number 25, Saguaba C and E Science. 16 seconds on the shot clock. First personal foul, number 22. Second, team foul, E and E Science. Palea! Shut down penalty! Victoria! Go ahead, Jackson. Number 22. Substitution. Number 22 for number 26. 13 foul. Tacoma, CA Science. 32, number 23. Substitution. Number 1 for number 11.
Inulit ka man pa rin daw.
Foul on number 21. Push it down. Number 21, that's the first personal. First, 14.
Ba't bola?
Okay na, very good.
Basta ito, squad na. May good.
Out of bounds, single.
Good evening to you. What's now?
20 seconds on the shot clock. Go right back there, number 32. Out of bounds, single.
Squad na yun. Halo pa. May damala.
Substitution. Number 21 for number 19. For a jumper, number 25.
Ito here, ito mga later. Mga 6'4". Kay El Paso.
Basket good. Plaza foul on number 25. Lucky foul.
Ito yung bago si Taas.
Bonus shot, number 23. Roy Baker. Foul on number 11. Lucky foul.
Time out, time out, time out. Time out.
Oray niya mula, intensyon, no?
Time out. Time out, time out. Time out, time out.
Hey, film, bro. Go watch the film. Go watch the film.
We're gonna review it. We're gonna review it.
Time out. It's a timeout.
Watch the film, bro. wala mo, pwede may magupaw.
Ayaw ba ay sayaw?
Eh, kadiri ako, mahibang na itong mga tao.
Kikita ang...
Here ko, develop our own rule. Tapos, lain na mo responsibility sa import. Nag-istorya ta kanina. Very clear, wala pula ha. Kaya na nila ako, kahit sa video, may sa video na ako.
Sige na. Same style niya. Isang kamot. Pero say focus.
Back to the ball game. 5 minutes, 34 seconds remaining time in the second quarter.
Kill.
Kuya Ray,
Kill.
usa na ra, pag nag-naay mga intensyon mag-upaw, kanili ko naman. Ibang
Ayaw,
kami,
ayaw.
listen ha, paggawas, kasi tulong ko sila. Oh, ganun ako. Maganda akong kaibigan, pero hindi kami pinupaw. Kung naabay intensyon siya mabuhat. Sa gawas, ito, ayatong ko siya sa gawas.
Ato ba na ma-review ba?
Just take the rest for a while.
Down, green. Stepping on the line. Turn over, the possession. Eastern Samoa. Foul number 30, pushing foul, 2 shots. Substitution. Number 34, number 23.
30.
Walang sila Kuya Ray. Iwan ko rin masama. Walang, pero kung ano-ano ba, pwede may maximum bagay sa gawas. Kaya lang sa matagal na niyo. Dili may munagan. Ikaw kaya ko ito din.
Foul number 11. 2 shots. Second personal foul on number 11. Fourth team foul on Eastern Samoa.
Sub.
Substitution. Number 19 forward, number 16.
Gagi lang. Maganda siya ako na.
Oo.
Walang pin.
Basta.
Kinala mo. Basta sumagin. Sabi na yun, ganti ka lang.
Sige, sige.
Oh.
24 seconds shot clock violation. Rising ball.
Vice, vice. Vice.
Roy Baker. Foul number 11. Pushing foul. Penalty. Substitution. Number 25. For number 29. Number 15 for number 14. Penalty. Number 11, that's your third personal. Substitution. Number 11 for number 1, Rico. From behind, yes, number 16. Ten, it's up now. Salienzo. Try